2019 Dodge Ram 1500 5.7 liter Hemi. What we got done on it today for you guys is still got the stock converters, got less than 1,000 miles on it. And then the customer brought it in and he ordered a kit from CORSA that we just installed for him, a dual system. And he says this system is guaranteed not to drone. So we will see. We'll see how she sounds. And it comes out to 5-inch tips, massive tips right there. One here and one here. Stainless steel system. We'll let you guys hear it in a minute. That's loud. I didn't expect it was that big of a muffler to be that loud. And there's the CORSA system right there. That's the part number 21035. Also got the Tesla screen in it, the new Ram 19. There's that Tesla screen right there. Infotainment system, fully loaded to the max. It's the limited Larmy. Beautiful truck. There it is. Got less than 3,000 miles.